Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast and a continuation of our series along the Elizabeth Line. This is part 3 and we're starting at Acton Main Line. And there's just 3 stations in this part 3 video, but that's because there is quite a lot of freight. And so join me as we go from Acton Main Line to West Ealing. This is the first station after you leave Paddington. It is obviously an open air station and very spacious. 2 normal platforms here carry the Elizabeth Line, and these 2 lines over here carry the Southwest Main Line, and you'll see plenty of fast moving traffic going across those. Moving along the platform, you'll see plenty of informational signage, and by the stairs an information poster regarding the Elizabeth Line. I'm on westbound platform 3 at the moment, as you can see. Eastbound is platform 4, which is in that direction. There are of course lifts which take you up to the concourse level. The overbridge here is very pleasant indeed, nice and clean, and it's nice to see that some planters have been put up to brighten it up a little bit. The main station building has been rebuilt, especially for the Elizabeth Line, and does look very nice and pleasant indeed. Lots of glass frontage and it's very clean. On entering the station you have electronic ticketing machines, and there is a ticket office, but that only seems to be open at peak times. And to the right there is an information departure board, as well as a service information board. The station has quite a significant depot next door to it, and from here you get some very good views of all the passing freight. As well as the obvious delight of seeing all the freight trains going past on the other side of the line there. There is also some help points on platform 4, and also seating and waiting shelters which are also prominent on platform 3 as well. Acton Main Line, but I had to get the train on quickly. Here at Ealing Broadway you can get Central and District Line trains, as well as Great Western Railway trains into Paddington. So while that train departs, as you can see across the way there are the tube platforms for the Central and the District lines. We're on platforms 3 and 4, which are for the Elizabeth line, and there are also platforms over here which are mainly through platforms for the fast services to London, Paddington, and obviously the other way down to the West Country. One thing I will say about all the Elizabeth line stations are that they have fantastic signage telling you exactly where you need to go to get to any part of your destination, whether it be out of the station or onto tube lines or any other national rail lines. This is complemented by information boards which will tell you exactly what's coming in next, same as any other station. And the station platforms are fairly wide with good seating areas, both covered and uncovered. I must admit I do like this Elizabeth line branded seating with the purple rail on there. It makes it very unique to this part of the network. Also here on platform 3 there is a very nice interior waiting room. You'll find stairs and lifts up to the main concourse. Down these set of steps there are also a set of toilets. The exterior here at Ealing Broadway, although a little bit noisy at the moment because there's some building work going on, is again quite modern. Looks as though it's been refitted out, ready for the Elizabeth line. A nice open space which should deal with a lot of commuters and normal passengers alike. The glass frontage design here reminds me a lot of Abbey Wood. On entering the station you'll see a ticket office to your left hand side, and plenty of ticket machines to your right hand side. The space, as with all on the Elizabeth line, is very light and airy. There are great views to be had of the passing fast traffic. Okay, that's that from here. Let's now carry on our journey west to West Ealing. Okay, now find me at the next station stop, and we're at West Ealing. Looks like there's quite a lot to see here, so let's get on with it and have a look around the platforms. Just to see here, the nice platform benches with the trademark Elizabeth line handles on them, which always look very nice. And here on platform 4 there's this lovely little garden that's been put into place. I think this is excellent. I think most stations should have one of these if they've got the space. There's somewhere here to sit if you really wanted to. It looks very well looked after, and I can imagine in the summer months this will look absolutely fantastic. Going along from there you've got a help point, a bench, some lifts up to concourse level, and an Elizabeth line map, plus information that there is a platform 5 towards Greenford, and I'm going to take you over to there in just a moment. As you can see, massively wide platform areas, and ahead of us the bay platform for Greenford. Just found this plaque which says that little garden is for the Friends of West Ealing Station, and they've certainly done a fantastic job. A nice large concourse area space leading to a set of stairs that will take up to concourse level. We'll have a look up there in a moment. And there are some information boards. This is the bay platform for Greenford. One thing to note here, it's not electrified. So that means we've got diesel multiple units coming in on this bay platform. And they are served by, at the moment, or at time of filming, by the Great Western Railway. The exterior of West Ealing, again all glass frontage like most on the Elizabeth line, with the surroundel of the Elizabeth line and the symbol for British Rail.
Is it working? Oh yeah. I can see. So it was very dark. From my arms.
As you come down the stairs from platform 3, you will find an Elizabeth line information board. There's also station signage, a help point, and some waiting shelters and seating. As another Elizabeth line train pulls in, just to note, there is also some old station buildings here, or there are some old station buildings here. Again, unfortunately cannot gain access. Would be nice if these were refurbished in the future. They do look as though they may be being used at the moment for either storage. But it's nice to see them still here and not demolished. And that's the end of part 3 of this Elizabeth line tour. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.